And my next thing is to get rid of these cauliflowers. You can see they're really growing wild, but at the base, you can see how the greens are still growing, right? So I'm going to get rid of that top plant, piece of the plant that's gone to seed. And I've let a lot of it just fall down on the ground. I'll see if it grows. I don't know if it does or not. But I'm going to leave the greens at the bottom because they're good for eating. So when I came out today and started cleaning up my cauliflowers and getting rid of the old stuff, I realized I had a problem going on here with these pincher bugs. And I mean, they were everywhere down inside the plant. So I got rid of the old plant and I left the new stuff that was growing, you know, for the leaves. But you can see the pincher bugs are just all over the place. So I sprayed them real good with diatomaceous earth. I just kind of got a little excited there because they can get really out of hand. And once they do, I mean, I noticed they were eating stuff, but they have just gotten crazy. So I had to give them a little shot there. I probably put too much, but I'll come out and wash some of this away in a few days. Cut, you know, cleaned up. You can see the big root in the bottom. And I just left the plant growing, and now it's putting out leaves on the side. So it probably won't ever grow another head, but it'll grow some greens, and they'll get nice and juicy, and I can add them to my collards. This is a transplant, it's doing real good.